The BTOG meeting in Dublin, we've been able to get all the active researchers involved in the field of mesothelioma together under the auspices of the NCRI UK Mesothelioma subgroup of the lung CSG. We've got a very active trials portfolio here in mesothelioma in the UK, and we have a number of actively recruiting trials. Obviously, one of the flagship trials that we had recently was the PROMISE-meso trial, which is the ETOP study, which I had the pleasure of co-chairing with my colleague, Dr. Corioni. That study, unfortunately, did not meet the primary endpoint of an improvement in progression-free survival, and we're still awaiting data from the other really important UK study of CONFIRM. So the CONFIRM trial is randomising patients between either best supportive care or nivolumab in the relapse setting, the third-line setting, and now amended to the second-line setting. We're very much waiting for that trial to close recruitment and see the outcomes as well. For immunotherapy in patients with mesothelioma, we have the ETOP BEAT-meso trial. This is a critically important trial being run in multiple centres across Europe, which I have the great honour and privilege of co-chairing with my colleagues from Spain on behalf of ETOP, that's Dr. Philippe. This is an important randomised trial. Patients are being randomised either to the standard arm of carboplatin, pemetrexed and bevacizumab, remembering that bevacizumab did demonstrate improved survival from the MAPS-1 French trial, or the investigational arm, which is carboplatin, pemetrexed and bevacizumab, but with the addition of atezolizumab. And that really is following in the footsteps of many other solid tumours, which has demonstrated that checkpoint inhibitor as monotherapy has activity, but relatively modest activity in the relapse setting. But that activity can be enhanced in combination with chemotherapy, and also altering the microenvironment by the addition of a VEGF inhibitor can also perhaps enhance the activity of immunotherapy. We also have the surgical trial, the MARS-2 trial, which is recruiting. It's a really critical, important trial which the whole world is looking at to really understand better the role of extended pleurectomy decortication in patients with operable disease upfront in conjunction with the standard of care chemotherapy. That trial is recruiting incredibly well, continues to recruit well, and the UK continues to support this trial, and it will be the only randomised trial examining the role of surgery in mesothelioma that we'll have. So it's critically important that we can answer this question.